Hey guys, good morning and happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. Here is your daily rundown. So, you are going to watch Mr. Stevens' presentation as he continues talking about social justice advocates. He's provided you with some new social justice advocates today, and he does provide more information in his video, so please make sure you watch that one. Then afterwards, in order to respond to questions, you might need to view the presentation. So you can then click on view the presentation to see it afterwards. And then at the end, you're going to respond to two questions. So the first question is choose a social justice advocate from the PowerPoint and describe them in 5 to 10 words. So that might be where you need to open up the document or re-listen to what Mr. Stevens says. And then if you had the opportunity to meet this social justice advocate, what questions would you ask them? I want at least 5 questions, or Mr. Stevens wants at least 5 questions from you. Make sure they're meaningful questions and purposeful. Think about the cause they're fighting for, what they're, like how old are they, what inspired them, things like that, okay? And with that being said, your word of the day today is aeolian. Aeolian means born, deposited, produced, or eroded by the wind. So it's a science term, but it's also connected to the Odyssey. And so they connected it with the Did You Know today, which I found really interesting. And since we read much of the Odyssey during the second quarter while we were still in school, I thought it'd be interesting just to highlight this part. So if we remember that there was King Aeolus and he blew into the town, he was able to kind of help push Odysseus back home, and he gave him that bag of winds. And if you guys remember, he gave them the favorable winds to kind of push them home. So it makes sense why his name is Aeolus, because it is connected to this Aeolian, okay? And I also just pulled up a picture to show you guys. So obviously with the wind blowing, it also creates these sand dunes or sand mounds, right? Because as the wind's blowing, it's pushing all the sand particles and then they're being deposited in certain areas to create structures like this. So just thought it was interesting, figured I'd share a little bit with you. And other than that, tomorrow I have a Zoom session at 11:30. It's come chat with me, have lunch with me. And that's all I got for today. So I hope everybody has a great day. Happy Tuesday and happy learning.